everyone, I have another Ipsy premium unboxing for you today. As always, check your playlist for more of these videos and engage with this video, letting me know that you want more content on this channel and I'll keep making it for you. Check the playlist for more of these. I get the box every month, so I'll keep them coming if you want them, and I'm also getting the FabFitFun box that's on the way. So this is for August. I'll have everything linked underneath if you're interested about Boxycharm, how much it is, all that stuff. If you choose to use my link, thank you so much. And I'll also have my other channel linked underneath that I post on daily. Here's some of the choices that you could have got. So I'll go through the box and let you know which things I chose. So the first is this Ofra Hot Mess Mama Mini Mix Palette in Unconditional. Let's take a look here. So this is what it looks like. So it's really beautiful. Very shimmery palette. It looks really nice. So I didn't get to pick that. That was chosen for me. Next was chosen for me, but I'm actually so excited about it. It's this Keys Soul Care. Haven't tried anything from their brand. And it's like skin 2-in-1 concealer and tint. So it's probably like a CC cream type idea. Let's take a look here. And this color looks pretty good. This is the light neutral beige. I'm always usually a light color in foundations, and I love neutrals because I have a pink undertone to my cheeks and stuff. Super excited about this. I love CC creams and light to medium coverage. I find if I use too heavy coverage, then I just get really dry patches because my skin's very dry. But it says it's dermatologist developed, clean formula, vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, brightens, blurs, and smooths. So I'm really excited about this. I'm going to try this as soon as I use up what I'm using now, and you'll see it in an empties or a review. Let me know if you've tried this underneath. Super happy about that. Next, I chose this Pillow Talk Pinrose roller. So this is what it looks like here. Let's see what it's. So I do actually really like the scent of this. It's very clean. It's almost like a clean laundry spring summer type of vibe. So it's like powder, ambergris, and musk. It's also clean, cruelty free. I do really like the scent. It just smells like clean laundry, like a very clean scent, very fresh. I really do enjoy this, and I love that it's cruelty free and all that stuff because you're putting it on your skin. Do you guys put your perfumes in the fridge, or do you leave them out? I've heard a friend that puts them in the fridge to make them last longer. Have you ever tried this? Then I have this Lip Potion Overnight Lip Mask. I've picked this as well. My lips have been so dry lately. And this is a lip mask with sweet almond, pineapple, and pomegranate. I'm actually going to try it right now because my lips are pretty dry. So the color is just like a very muted pink. It's pretty much clear. It has a really light scent, and it feels really hydrating on the lips. So I'll have to let you guys know in an empties if I like this, but I'm going to put it right into my purse and start using it. My lips have been really dry. I also love that it's in this type of packaging because I don't like to stick my finger in when I have nails. I just find it kind of unsanitary. The scent is really light too, which is nice. And then this I picked as well, this Plump Shot by Buxom in the color Exposed. Let's see what the color looks like here. Ooh, the color's really pretty. It's a really nice nude. It smells really good too. So I'm going to try this out and let you guys know. This is looking like a really nice fall color, like a pinky nude. And it says that it's lip plumper with a sheer pop of color, plump, increased volume, decreased lip lines. And 94% of people said they saw an instant result. So I'm really excited to try this. I'll put it right in my purse and get it trying. I've liked Buxom products in the past. So this is everything that I got in my box, as you can see. So I would probably rate this box probably like a 4 out of 5, just because I'm really excited about the perfume and the CC cream and also the lip products. The palette's okay for me. I might gift it. I'll see. But that's everything for today's video. What do you got in your box?